In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ClickFunnels with Notion. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow by automatically transferring your leads generated from ClickFunnels directly into your Notion CRM system. This seamless connection can save you time and effort, allowing you to focus on other important areas of your business. To begin, you want to navigate to the Notion page where you intend to link your ClickFunnels data. The choice of page is entirely up to you and will depend on how you've organized your workspace. Perhaps you've already established a system within Notion to manage your customer relationships or sales leads. If so, great. That's where you'll want to paste your ClickFunnels link. But if you haven't quite set it up yet, consider creating a dedicated page or database specifically for these leads. It could be a lifesaver in keeping everything organized and easily accessible. Once you've decided on the appropriate Notion page, it's time to head over to ClickFunnels. Here, you'll need to obtain the direct link to your funnel that you wish to integrate with Notion. You might wonder exactly where to find this link. Typically, you can retrieve it from your dashboard within ClickFunnels, where your individual funnels are listed. Simply select the funnel you want to work with and copy its URL. This link acts as the bridge between the two platforms, ensuring that the data flow is uninterrupted and reaches the right destination. Now move back to the Notion page you prepared earlier. You're going to paste the ClickFunnels link right into this page. A straightforward point to remember here is choosing the exact spot for the link, which might depend on your existing format. If you're using a Notion database, consider adding it as a property in your database to keep it neatly tucked away. This method allows you to quickly access and manage your funnels directly from Notion. Alternatively, if your setup is more freeform, go ahead and paste it directly into the document or section where it makes the most sense. And there you have it. Those are the easy steps to connect ClickFunnels with Notion. This direct link means that any new leads captured in ClickFunnels are communicated directly through to your Notion page, making it easier than ever to keep track of potential customers within your CRM system. Take your time with each step. There's no rush. It's important to familiarize yourself with both platforms and customize your Notion setup to suit your specific business needs. Implementing this setup could change the way you handle leads, making the process not only more efficient, but also more effective. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope that these steps enhance your productivity and help you manage your leads like a pro.